a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's...
Damn, man, I gotta get some gas, man. I'm about to run out of gas. Shit. Look like my test ride finna be down here to the gas station. I gotta run down here real quick and get some gas. So it's running pretty cool. Seems like it's pretty cool. And look, see, this is the difference between American-made cars and Japanese cars like this. This is what I was telling you. Look, if you look, let me see if you can see it. If you look and you see where that gas gauge is, I mean not the gas, the thermostat for the heat. See how it's still, see how it ain't even got to halfway? It's still below. It's still lower than the Chrysler was. And I've been in this car. I actually been in this car a little bit longer than I've been in the Chrysler. From where I picked it up to getting to the gate and waiting in line. That's why I like these. That's why the Japanese cars, man. In terms of flipping, people put more faith in the Japanese cars, man. And I do too as a dealer. But at the end of the day, it's still always, you can win on everything. You just got, like I said, you got to do. I keep preaching that to y'all. You got to do your homework. But American-made cars is just, they just more iffy. And I don't like buying on iffy. You just, you know what I mean? It's a, you know, you feel like you might not win. And I like to win all the time, shit. Even though that ain't a reality, but shit. If I could choose it, I want to win it. I want to win more than I lose. We about to, let me see the AC. Ooh, shit, that AC blowing. Damn. Okay. All right. I'm stepping on it. Okay. Yeah, she's solid. She's feeling good. Feeling good, guys. Feeling good. That AC is blowing. Wind. Damn, that AC blowing. That AC is blowing. Wind. Damn, that AC blowing. When it's a real hot day, like how it's kind of hot today, when that AC is blowing, that's why it's good to get a car with the AC. When that AC is blowing and working like that, I always make sure that AC be blowing sky high before they get in that car. So when they get in that car, man, they be like, you freeze them out before they get in. You want them to say, ooh, can you turn the AC down when it's hot, instead of, does the AC work because they get in the car and it's already too hot. That's a little tip for all y'all trying to buy and flip cars. But you know what though? When you buying a little, see, I'm gonna sell this car for like $1,500. This is a little $1,500 flip. This the Diamante. When you buying a car under 2,000, it's a bucket. I don't give a fuck what nobody says. That's a 1,500, really 2,000 low key is a bucket. Really, shit, fuck it. 2,000 is the new 1,000. Because you know everybody be like, man, what you got for 1,000? What you got for 1,000? Because they figure that's a bucket. But nah, 2,000 and under is still a bucket. You ain't slid out of that bucket world. You still in the bucket. And I'm the first to say it. 2,000 is the new 1,000. So that means if you pay $2,000 for a car and you expecting to get a $10,000 car, you still in the bucket. So why you trying to set your expectations so goddamn on high? We trying to get you the best deal, but we still trying to make some money for ourselves. So you got to be realistic with yourself, man. What's the most important thing? Like I be telling people, like, man, what is most important? If you spending $1,500, are you looking at trying to look cute and sexy, or are you trying to get where the fuck you gotta go? I be wanting to say it just like that to the customer, man. You doing too much. Shit, come with some more money. I got cars in different price ranges if you just want to get more, if you ain't got enough shit. All right, let's get some gas, and I got to get back on this road. I got my doctor's appointment. Damn, where's the gas? Fuck, man, I got to move. Damn it. Wrong side of the gas tank. Damn. Wasting too much time, man. I'm wasting too much time. I gotta still deal with this damn LA traffic, 91 traffic. Y'all know how this traffic is out here. All right, y'all. There it is right there. Y'all see it? That's my little $1,400. I leave the trunk open. I ain't tripping on the trunk. Go up here and get some gas. Excuse me. How you doing? How you doing? All right, pretty good, pretty good. Let me get a...
10 on 10, the other side?
Yeah, the other side.
Okay.
You know what? No. Wait, hold on. Let me get this right here. Damn, I need this Snickers, man. Y'all gotta help me, man. These things are so damn good. Man, these Snickers, man. Just give me this and the rest on.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Hey, you want on?
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.
All right. All right, y'all. Put some gas up in this damn thing and do this test run. Get the hell on back to LA. Shit, I got things. Let me see. Ooh. Got the remote on it. Okay. Y'all hear that? Look, when I hit the remote, hear that? See, that's another selling point. When I got these alarms on, when the alarm be on the car, and it actually worked. Okay. See, that's another selling point. When the alarm be on the cars like that, I put in the description, alarm, keyless alarm. That's a selling point, y'all. And it got a backup alarm. I mean, it got a backup key fob. It's key fob. Okay, cool, we gone. All right, shit, I gotta hurry up, man. What time is it? Shit, it's 11 o'clock. Damn, I got less than 2 hours. All right, y'all, we gotta hurry. I know just the route I'm gonna go to. All right, let's get in here. Got my seatbelt on. Check the water. The water is good. You know what? I gotta check the reverse. Get up out of here. Alright. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. See, when you've been in the game long enough, you can just feel, you can jump in a car and immediately be like, yep, that's the one right here. Or you could be like, nope, this ain't her, or this ain't him. When you've been in this game long enough as I have, about 9.5 years now, hitting these dealer auctions, I could look at a car damn near and be like, yep, that's money right there. Or, nope, that ain't no money. I'm gonna get my money for this car. And see, my buyer, my buyer told me, his first thing that came out of his mouth was, I need something reliable. My car just got in an accident. I got to get back and forth to work. Everybody, man, look, everybody needs the same thing. So I already know where you're going with, but I still let them talk, because that's how you got to listen to your customer, so they feel like you understand them and care about them. And then when they finish talking, so then he was like, man, I got to stop. These things are so damn good. I got to stop eating these things. Sweet. So he was like, he said, I got like 1,000. I said, to be honest with you, I don't do nothing. I didn't even tell him 2,000. I said, I don't do nothing for under 12, 13. That was just to see really where he was. But he was like, okay, I can do that. But see, he gonna have to come up to 15, because on this car right here, I'm looking to make 600 on this car. That's around about what I want. Because see, what I do is when somebody because this is a referral from somebody. So let me make sure my numbers are adding 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yep. Yes. I had to check. My bad. I add the numbers in my head. But look, like when somebody, this is a referral customer. So when I get a referral customer from somebody, I shoot them $100 just to keep them motivated, because that's what be helping feed the machine. I'm the machine. Q flip the whip. I'm the machine. So my referrals, I pay them. I put a little money in their pocket. They want to come back and keep making money. If I give you $100 for each car you give me, you bring me 10 customers, that's $1,000. And then if you bring me, it depends on how much they spend. Like, but if they spending a few racks, like they spend about 5 or better, I might throw you 300-400. It just depends on how much I get the car for, how much my profit is. Everything is numbers, man. It's all this game is all about numbers. It's all numbers. I don't care what nobody tell you, this shit is about numbers. And that's what we be looking at. We looking at our bottom line. How much did I get it for? How much can I sell it for? But at the same time, you don't want to be the dude known for selling shit that people don't like. So when shit break, I let them know before they get the car. Look, ain't no guarantees, but at the same time, I will work with you because I got a whole network. I got mechanics, I got body shops, I got wholesale car parts where I get all my wholesale car parts. So I just be like, look, if the car break or whatever, you gonna get everything for my price, and I'm gonna take you there. You know, I might pick them up and take them. Just depends.